Copy paste.
Beautiful. So Gemara says, Mahi rachim, avato rachim.
Right.
So what it really means, in one word, midas. In other words, it's not talking about going his ways as in follow the Torah, because we're going to get to lishmor this mitzvah Hashem, if you remember.
It's different.
It's midas. Be like him. Hashem is good.
If he's kind, be kind.
Be kind. So that's what I mentioned to you before, that possibly we'll speak about the Chesed organizations. Part of being a Yid, what does Hashem want from you? He wants you to be a good person. It's not enough to be a Talmud Chacham.
Where's the list? Rasha says what Luleiches is. What's the list from the things that he is like?
So as I said, his mitzvah. So maybe you can go through Hashem, Karachem, Echan, Erech Apayim, V'Rav Chesed, V'Emes.
How would I understand that Luleiches means his midas, and where would I find the list of the midas?
Because as I said, the Gemara says, Luleiches, if you go in his ways, what's his ways? His nature. His nature. Yeah. What's his nature? Hashem is good. He's good. Olam Chesed Yivona. He created a world of Chesed. Put yourself in Chesed. Get involved in Chesed. What type of Chesed? To help the world, not to help your name. And it's not about you. And it's not about you. It's about how can I make the world a better place.
I think most Chesed is done anonymously.
It could be.
Like even those big organizations, they started small. They started just because they wanted to do something good. Good examples, Chesed 24/7. By the way, they're having a campaign in a few minutes. And I owe them so much of Kosov, you have no idea. They actually came with a birthday cake.
Oh, wow.
To my son, they bought us toys and stuff. Oh, these guys, Bemet. There's I can go on and on. I don't want this episode to turn about him,